Hey guys, I just wanted to record a quick video. I just wanted to share something that I know that would really help you guys when it comes to getting results and start making money online. And I want you guys to take action and do this exactly. That way you can start getting results and start making money online. Right now, the only way, guys, to for you to be able to get results and start making money online is to do exactly what these gurus are doing. Now, I'm not a guru. I'm just sharing this information, guys, because a lot of gurus out there, they're not really transparent about what exactly they're doing in their affiliate marketing business or in their business for them to be able to make thousands and millions of dollars online, right? So in this video, I'm just gonna give you guys a motivation. That way you can finally start getting results, start making money online. Now, just like I said, the only way for you to be able to get results and start making money online is to actually do what the gurus are doing. Like, for example, I'm creating videos. Now, I created this video because I wanted to make money online. I wanted to not just make money from the commissions, from the product that I promote. I also make money from YouTube ads revenue. So I want you guys to stop watching YouTube video because it will not help you. It will not make you money. All right, the only way to make money is when you take action, when you actually do the work, when you actually create content, right? And I want you guys to start a YouTube channel, because YouTube channel is one of the biggest and free traffic source. Stop looking for magic magic bullet that you can or a push button app or a push button software. Just start a YouTube channel and start doing what exactly these gurus are doing, like creating content in a day-to-day basis, like creating product reviews. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, guys, let me go to my YouTube channel right here. Alright guys, so this is my YouTube channel, guys, and as you can see, guys, I'm constantly creating videos each and every day, guys, because I can make money, guys, by from the affiliate commissions that I got from these review videos, and I can also make money from the YouTube ad revenue. So I keep on creating content, I keep on creating videos on a daily basis, so I can make money with this, because this is my number one source of income right now. And if you notice, guys, I'm not a native English speaker. I'm not a really great speaker, and if you wanted to do this, you can actually make a living with YouTube, right? So all you have to do, guys, is take action, and start implementing, start taking action, stop watching videos, stop dreaming, right? Stop dreaming and start doing. That's the only way for you to be able to get results and make money online. All right, and I want you guys to start with free traffic, because if you wanted to spend money on ads, you're gonna need to have an experience. You need to have some sort of years of experience for you to be able to get results with ad or with paid ads, or advertising campaign, or whatever paid ads that you wanted to go. I really want you guys to start creating your network or start creating your ecosystem like YouTube or Facebook page or whatever channel you want. But I suggest you guys to get started with YouTube, because this is the biggest, and YouTube, guys, will stay there forever. And in this coming year, in this year 2023, there will be big updates and big changes on YouTube, and it will help you guys out drive free traffic into whatever product or offer you want to promote. So I really, guys, wanted you guys to get started with YouTube right now as soon as possible, because as soon as you get into YouTube right now, start creating your own content, start creating your own channel, guys, then you can actually monetize your content, monetize your channels in multiple ways, from your affiliate commissions and from the YouTube ads revenue, or other sponsorship. You can make money and multiple income streams. So I want you guys to get started, start taking action, start start your YouTube channel, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And if you need some help, I'm always here to help you guys out. Let me know in my email. I'm gonna put my email below this video. That way you're gonna always reach me out. I'm gonna try my best, guys, to help you guys out when it comes to getting results online and making money online. I'm not I'm not guru. I'm not making millions of dollars, but I can I am an action taker, right? So I want you guys to like do the same thing, take action and start doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And by the way, this is my son, and he's now 2 years old this coming February 2023. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And just like I said a while ago, take action. And if you needed some help, just let me know, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.